going on, guys? Welcome to an all new unboxing. Today we have from Dylan Chan's vlog where we are unscripted. I'm going to be unboxing today the Anki Cozmo Collector's Edition. Now the biggest difference with the Collector's Edition versus the Standard Edition is this one is a liquid metal. Only the coolest robot invented, and I can tell you, Cozmo's got such a lifelike feeling to him. He just puts a smile on your face. It's been invented by a few tech guys, a few PhD guys. It's actually worked in big movie productions such as WALL-E, etc. This is an awesome robot to have, and I do recommend that you guys get one. It actually was on sale over the holidays. It runs for $179.99. Whether you're looking for the standard edition or you're looking for the collector's edition, I was able to get this for $139.99 at Toys R Us, and it was available over the holidays. So let's get the unboxing started, and let's see. At the back, as I had mentioned, we've got Almost Human, Uniquely Yours, High Tech. Not too technical, it's not a technical thing, and what it does include is we do have one Cozmo robot, 3 power cubes, and 1 charger. A USB power adapter is not included, but you are able to use some of the other USB adapters. We'll check that out as we go through. Let's see what we have. Seal is broken. Perfect. And let's kind of pull this off. So, in the box, now that we've removed the Cozmo, we've got a little, it looks like we've got some instruction manual. It says here, start here, so let's see what's in here. Got a quick start guide. We've actually got a 15% discount. I'm not going to show you guys what that is because it does have my discount code spread around the top of it. And this just looks like a product information guide, just kind of giving you some overviews on your Cozmo. Inside, we've got 3 power cubes. Just pull. I'm guessing that's to charge them. There we go. Not going to pull them yet. Let's see what else we've got in the box. We're going to take this off. The bottom of the box, we do have a power station. So, compatible with most USB chargers, so this is perfectly fine. I've got a ton of USB chargers, guys, and I'm sure you do too. My desk even has a charger built in, so this will likely be stationed on my desk and just plugged in. And Anki, Cozmo will pretty much just go in the top. Let's see how we get that off. Just pop that off and press this in. And we're done. Here we go. Let's see what we've got here. So, taking a look at the robot itself, we've got the treads at the bottom, which is pretty awesome. You've got a nice, it's all plastic, so it's just got a nice liquid metal look to it. You've got the face. These are where you're going to see the eyes. Got a little light here. There is a camera on. There is a camera, so you do have a camera that's built in. You'll be able to see through your iPhone the camera. This is where he raises up and down. Let's see what we've got. We've got the tread, charging base, and that's it. So let's kind of see how this works. Let's see if we can get this started.
20 minutes later.
Here he is. Looks like he's awake. Hold the tabs in your cubes. Great. Start. He is so excited, guys. Guys, Cozmo wants to get to know me, so I am gonna enter in my name. And I've got Dylan. He's saying my name, guys. What's my name? Dylan? Dylan. What is my name? Guys, look, he is literally following me. See if I go behind the camera. See if I can move him over so you guys have a better angle. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is Cozmo. This is a full setup of him. So cute. He's pretty much literally following me. And every time he sees my face, he says, Dylan. He's trying to, oh, there we go, good boy. I have to say, this guy, he's got such an amazing personality to him. I can tell you, it's, he's a lot of fun. He's like my little buddy. Look, while I actually was setting up the camera, he's been stacking blocks together. He actually got upset while we were playing the game before because apparently he's a loser. Well, he's not a loser, sorry Cozmo. Look, he's got such a human-like personality to him. While I was actually preparing the cameras, he started to roam around. I really thought he was gonna fall off the desk, but he actually stopped at the end. So he's got these little sensors in the bottom that can pick up ridges and edges. This way he does not fall over. The only concern that I have is if he's going backwards, like is he gonna fall over? It's a great piece of gadget to have. I mean, it's got such a personality to him. Look, he's getting a little upset right now. Let's see what he'll do up here. Cozmo, you're stuck. You're stuck. I'm sorry, it's okay. It's okay, okay, I'm gonna bring you down. If you love robotics and you're looking for something very human-like, I do recommend this Cozmo. I can see, oh, don't be getting mad, it's okay. It's okay, calm down. What is my name? It's okay, calm down. It's okay. What's my name? Dylan. See, he knows my name. So when he detects your face, he will say your name, guys. I'm gonna make a few parts to this. This way you can kind of see how Cozmo grows with me. Cozmo. Hey. You're interrupting my vlog. Hey, you heard me? You're interrupting my vlog. Yo, go to your room. No, don't go for that. Don't go for that either. No. Go to your room. Oh, fine, just do it. Go ahead. You want to be the show? Go ahead. There we go. Here, I'm gonna mess you up. Oh, look, guys. That's what you get. Alright, he's a little calm. He's a little hyper now. He's kind of like me when I'm playing with my toys. I don't play with toys, I'm just joking. Anyway, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button below. I'm actually going to be doing a lot more cooler unboxing. I'm going to try to focus on some robotics this year. I will be attending CES. I will try to put some videos out there. Again, if you're not subscribed, Cozmo, I'm doing a vlog. Shh. Anyway, if you're not, shh. Hey, don't go to the edge of the table. He's kind of like a kid. If you're not subscribed to my vlog, guys, do subscribe. I'm gonna have a few part series of Cozmo. I do want to get to know him a little further. I'm sure he can do a lot of stuff. Maybe I'll make a little mini series out of him. But anyway, thanks for checking out my channel. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe, guys. And this has been an unboxing unscripted by your favorite Dylan Chan vlog.
A few moments later.